My name is Corne, and I am the Client Relations Manager of Brinant Group. My primary function at Brinant Group is to work with all the clients that Brinant Group has that are armed reaction clients. The purpose of today's video is to answer frequently asked questions that we receive from our clients with regards to an alarm system, what the different parts of the alarm system is and what exactly their functions are. Our hope for this video is that afterwards your alarm system would be less intimidating and that your alarm system would work for you and not against you. An alarm system is an electronic device that is used for perimeter protection. This alarm system ensures that when criminals break into your premises, that you are notified before they enter your premises and when they enter your premises. This is done by infrared passive detectors and door contacts. Let's give you a breakdown of exactly what these elements are. An alarm system consists of an alarm panel, a keypad, remotes, and detectors consisting of indoor infrared passive detectors, door contacts, and outdoor detectors, specifically outdoor infrared passive detectors. What is an alarm panel? Contrary to popular belief, the keypad that's mounted in your bedroom is not the alarm panel. The alarm panel is the box where all the wires go in. This is the central brain of the operation, and without the panel, the alarm system cannot function. The alarm battery is placed inside the panel. It is very important to ensure that your battery that is installed inside your panel is optimally functional. If your power goes off, your battery is the thing that will keep your alarm system on. If your alarm system is not on, the sensors will not trigger and your security provider will not know if there's an intruder. The panel has a trickle charger that charges your battery on a continual basis. If you have power, the battery will charge until it's optimally charged and then it will stop charging. If the power goes off, the panel will start using the power that is supplied by the battery. That will systematically run out. If the power goes back on, the trickle charger inside the panel will start recharging the battery inside the panel. This might take a couple of hours. If the electricity is off for long periods of time, a secondary backup power supply can be of extreme value. Examples of secondary backup power supply would be a UPS that is connected to the plug of your alarm system. Alternative to that, you can have solar. An alternative to that, you can have a generator. It is very important to note, if you switch on your generator, it is possible that a power surge can go through your house, which will cause either a false alarm or damage to the alarm system. If you have a generator, please ensure that the electrician installing the generator knows that you've got an alarm system and that is calibrated correctly to not either cause false alarms or power surges that will damage the alarm system. Contrary to popular belief, the keypad is not the brain of the alarm. The keypad is merely an extension of the alarm panel and all the components that are connected to the alarm. The keypad is usually mounted in the bedroom and is used to arm and disarm the alarm system, also to arm and disarm the different partitions of the alarm system, and to do programming and modifications on the alarm system. A remote control is an extension of your alarm system that you can use to arm and disarm your alarm system from a distance. You can also use the panic button that is on the alarm system to press your panic button if you see an intruder, and this can be done from a distance. At its most basic form, we all know the old school passive, or like we like to refer to it as a oogie or an eye. And what does that do? That is mounted in the corner of the room at a 2-meter height. This picks up movement of heat, any movement of heat, and yes, that includes your pets. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no such thing as a fully pet-friendly passive. It is highly recommended that when your alarm system is armed, to keep your pets in an isolated area where the alarm system detectors are not armed. A door contact is a very simple detector that is mounted on doors and windows, that when the door or the window is opened, it sends a signal to the alarm panel that triggers an alarm. Please remember that the door contact is only as good as the door that it's mounted on. If the door malfunctions, or if the door breaks, or if the door goes out of alignment, the door contact will eventually start malfunctioning. Please maintain your doors and your windows and ensure that the door contacts remain maintained. Outdoor detectors is called an outdoor infrared passive detector, or like we all like to refer to it as a beam. These detectors use the same technology that the indoor passives use. They are also big thermometers. These detectors have a lot of technology built into them that tries to make them more pet accommodative or pet friendly. These detectors aim to not pick up any moving heat objects that are bigger than 40 kilograms. However, once again, there is no such thing as a fully pet-friendly outdoor detector. It is important to keep your pets in an area where the outdoor detector is not armed. Outdoor detectors are also made mostly for the night, being as it picks up movement of heat. They are most effective at night. They are not designed to be armed during the day, although they can be armed during the day. However, the hotter it becomes, the more difficult it becomes for the outdoor detector to pick up any moving objects. Next, I would like to discuss the importance of alarm partitions. Alarm systems are designed to be armed in different partitions or settings, which allows parts of the alarm system to be armed or the entire alarm system to be armed. This is crucial for using the alarm system for the different applications. The first application would be a sleep mode partition. Sleep mode partition entails that your bedroom is disarmed and parts of your house is disarmed, but the rest of your house is armed along with your door contacts and your outdoor detectors. This is a partition or an arm setting that is used when the clients go to sleep, and that you have maximum protection whilst you sleep, whilst still being able to move around in isolated bed. The second arming mode or partition would be stay mode. This mode is used when the client wants to stay inside the house but have the outside protected and all the doors protected. This would be used ideally before you go to bed, but after the sun goes down.